Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix cannot verify identity issue on your Apple device. So guys, if you are trying to activate your Apple ID but you're facing this problem and you are unable to activate your account, here I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, the very first solution for this problem is that you have to simply make it sure that you're using the updated version of software on your device. So guys, for that, open settings on your device and then go to general, go to software update and update your software to the latest version. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then go to profile and then scroll it below and sign out your Apple ID from your device for one time, and after this sign in your Apple ID again on your device. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then you have to simply reset the password of your Apple ID for one time. So guys, for that you have to simply go to iforgot.apple.com and reset your password. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then you must contact Apple support for account reactivation, as the account may be locked for security reasons. So guys, for that you have to simply go to support app, and from here you can get any kind of help from the Apple team regarding this issue. So guys, hopefully they will try to fix this problem for you within 24 hours. And if you still face this problem, then you have to simply change your internet connection. So guys, if you're using Wi-Fi, then use mobile data, and if you're using mobile data, then use Wi-Fi and check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there, then you have to simply wait for the given time, and after this hopefully your problem will be fixed. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.